This is egg with tomatoes, carrots, and onion, rich in vitamin A. Yeah, the egg yolk, the carrots, the tomatoes, vitamin C and A too, and the onion. Yes, we'll have this for our breakfast. See?